Welcome my fellow journeyers. I'm back here again, another video with Journey with Ron. So today, as you guys can see, I'm not actually in my car today going on any shopping trips. So today's going to be a little bit different. So I actually bought some stuff off of Temu, two items to be exact. So I'm just going to be doing a little unboxing video here just to show you guys what those items are, and just to kind of examine the quality and stuff like that. So as I mentioned in the title, these items have sold over 100K on Temu. So I thought it would be a good idea, just to buy these items to see what the quality and stuff is like at these items. So journey along with me as I go ahead and unbox these items along with you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this down here, take you guys along with me today. Bear with me guys, I'm just trying to set the tripod up, give you guys a good angle. Okay, there we go. And if you guys hear my voice cracking, it's basically I've been sick with the flu for a couple of days now, so that's why my voice kind of sounds a little bit hoarse, but we're still going to go ahead and push through and get this video going. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it up here. Are you guys as excited as I am to see? But I already know what it is, but I just want to know what the quality is like. Okay, pow. And the first item we have here is the portable and rechargeable battery juice blender. So that's one of the items, and other item I have here is the Angry Mama microwave cleaner. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this back here to the side and open up the portable rechargeable battery juice blender. All right, go ahead and take this out. Okay, doesn't look too bad, guys. I actually like the quality. It feels very firm and sturdy in my hand so far. So as far as the density of it, it does, well, I have to say it does feel pretty sturdy. So here we go. Let me just open it up here, and you guys can see the inside of it. It's actually like a real blender. It has the blades at the bottom, if you guys could see that. And these are just the instructions. So it tells you how to operate it. And again, guys, sorry for my voice. Like I said, I'm a little bit hoarse. I've been having the flu for the last couple of days. So yeah, these are all the instructions and stuff like that. So I'm going to sit this back inside here and put the cover back on here. And I'm guessing this is a charging cord that comes with it. So it's a portable electric blender. So right here, as you can see, it says double click to start. Let me go ahead and press. Well, I guess this has to be plugged in, but let me try it anyway. Well, yeah, it has to be plugged in. So I plan on doing another video, guys, to show you how these my experience with using these items are. But today's just going to be the unboxing video and just kind of like the quality. Like I said, it feels really heavy and sturdy in my hand. Well, not too heavy, because something portable, so you don't want to be lugging around something that extremely heavy. But it's as far as the quality goes, as what I can see feel in my hand here, it's pretty a good quality. And I was skeptical about buying stuff from Temu, because I know some of the items are mostly China made, and some of them tend to have not that great of a quality. But as far as what I'm feeling, this, yeah guys, this is definitely something you could carry along for a portable blender if you're on the go. Like I said, I'm gonna do another video possibly showing you how it's used, trying to blend up some fruit and veggies with these guys. Okay, so let me just set this off to the side here. And this one is the Angry Mama microwave. So this one was a little bit funny. It looks like a little gag gift or a gag toy. Wow, I didn't realize it was actually this big. Because on the website, it's a little bit smaller the way how they show it. So, all right, there we go. Angry Mama. She does look angry in her little green dress and her purple hair. Okay, so this is supposed to be a microwave cleaner. So this is the instruction, guys. So you can see, tells you how to use it. Remove angry mamas here by twisting to the right and lifting off. Then remove angry mama's head by pulling straight up. Add vinegar and water to fill lines and body. Add a squeeze of lemon or essence to liquid for a pleasant odor. Do not overfill. Place the head on parts. Microwave for 7 minutes on high. Allow to stand for 2 additional minutes. Okay, so those are pretty much straightforward instructions, but I'm going ahead and just take a look at the product. Okay, let me see, get the head off here. Okay, twist like that. Bam, comes off. Okay, so I'm guessing this is where you pour the water and the vinegar in into that compartment there, and then you just put the head back on like that and twist it. Make sure it's firmly seated. Twist it back on, and then you put it back in, and you put it in the microwave for 7 minutes. But yeah, guys, this is the quality is actually pretty good on this one also. You know, I'm not just saying that for the video. And again, this is not an endorsement by Temu or anything like that. I'm not getting paid by them. Just my personal opinion. You know, I like to try stuff. Like you see me go into stores and buy different items and show you the different products they have in the store. So yeah, this is actually very sturdy. It's not like one of those cheap plastic materials that will break like in a couple weeks or something like that. So there it says on the back vinegar, so it's telling you where I guess the fill line is or something like that. So it just tells you vinegar. So I'm guessing you put the vinegar fill line right here, and the rest is water. So yeah, guys, it's pretty sturdy. And like I said, I wasn't expecting the size to be that big. Because on the website it shows it, you know, a little bit smaller, but it's really a good size, and I'm really happy about these two purchases, guys. They actually, let me just put them side by side here for you together. Move these out of the way. Yeah, as you guys can see, they're pretty sizable items, you know, so it's a really good size. I was expecting, like I say, something smaller, and as far as like the quality, to be a little bit maybe on the cheaper side. But yeah, guys, for my first time shopping on Temu, I can say so far, without trying anything, just based off quality alone, I would say I'll give it a 7. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and try these out probably in the next video to give you guys a better overview of how it actually works and as far as the functionality and stuff like that. But pretty much I can say I'm happy with my purchase for these two items off of Temu. So if you guys are thinking of shopping on Temu, you know, buying stuff, I would say, especially these two items, I'd say go ahead and yeah, let's go ahead and purchase these items. They have a lot of good reviews, and these items have sold over 100,000 plus on Temu. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much a great buy in terms of quality for me. So yeah, guys, like I said, it's definitely a good product, or a good in terms of quality. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. And again, let me just straighten this up a little bit. And again, I want to thank you guys again for journeying with me on another journey with Ron. And please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for journeying with me. Peace, and have a good day.